Do you want to ask ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account? You can get ChatGPT to roast your Insta profile with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to ask ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To ask ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account? First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, take a screenshot of your Instagram profile. After taking the screenshot, open ChatGPT on your mobile device and log into your account. Now, tap on the menu icon to open the sidebar menu options. From the left sidebar, tap on Explore GPTs. Once selected, this type of screen will open. In the search box, type Insta Guru and select this one from the pop-up suggestions. A new screen will appear. From here, tap on Start Chat at the bottom of the screen. Again, a new screen will appear. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text input field. Now, tap on the paperclip icon on the left side of the message input field. Once you tap it, a list of options will appear. From here, tap on Upload Files and select the screenshot of your Instagram profile from your device gallery. Once uploaded, you can add some text explaining what you need, or simply send it without adding any text. Once you send it, ChatGPT will analyze your Instagram content and provide feedback based on its understanding of trends, aesthetics, and engagement. This is how you can use ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account.